Ready to ditch the stock-picking stress and build a wealth-generating machine on autopilot? Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to buy index funds using Fidelity. First things first. If you don't already have one, head over to Fidelity.com and click Open an Account. Fidelity offers various account types, like Roth IRAs, traditional IRAs, and taxable brokerage accounts. Choose the one that aligns with your investment goals. Fill out the application with your personal and financial information. Once your account is set up and funded, log into the Fidelity platform now. For the fun part, finding the perfect index fund. Use the search bar at the top of the page to search for the index fund you are interested in. For instance, you can search for the S&P 500 index fund. On the index fund's research page, you will find important information such as its expense ratio, historical performance, and top holdings. Pay close attention to the expense ratio. You want to choose funds with lower costs to maximize your returns. Also, review the fund's historical performance to understand how it has performed over time. Once you have chosen your index fund, click on the Trade button. This will take you to the order ticket. Enter the amount you want to invest, either in dollars or shares. Preview your order to make sure everything looks correct. Finally, click Place Order. Congratulations! You have successfully purchased an index fund with Fidelity. Remember, diversification is key. Consider adding different index funds to your portfolio to spread your risk and achieve your financial goals. Happy investing!